Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to add Netflix to Firestick step by step so you can start streaming your favorite movies, TV shows, and original content in just a few minutes. Step 1. Turn on your Firestick and make sure it's connected to the internet. From the home screen, use your remote to navigate to the top menu. Step 2. Select the Find tab, then choose Search. This allows you to search for any app available on the Amazon App Store. Step 3. Using the on-screen keyboard, type Netflix or press the voice button on your remote and say Netflix. Step 4. From the search results, select the official Netflix app. Make sure it's the verified app to ensure smooth installation and updates. Step 5. Click Get or Download. The app will automatically download and install, which usually takes a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Once installation is complete, select Open or access Netflix later from the Your Apps and Channels section on the Firestick home screen. Step 7. When the app opens, sign in with your Netflix account. Enter your email and password using the remote or follow any on-screen instructions to sign in if prompted. Step 8. After signing in, your profile and content library will load. You can now browse, search, and start streaming Netflix directly on your Firestick. If Netflix is already pre-installed on your Firestick, simply open the app from Your Apps and Channels and sign in using the same steps. You've now successfully added Netflix to Firestick, and you're ready to enjoy your favorite shows and movies. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more easy step-by-step tutorials.